Today's video will teach how to install Visual Studio Code or VS Code on Linux Ubuntu. VS Code can be installed via just one command. First, Ctrl+Alt+T to open terminal. Type a command sudo snap install --- classic code. Press enter. It may take a while. After the VS Code successfully done, open it and enjoy. To install an extension in VS Code, click on the extension icon on the left. Here you can search and install any extension you need, but in this case there must be internet connection. An example is shown by installing the Python extension. A variety of extensions can be installed offline in VS Code. It does not require internet. First, click on the extension icon on the left. Click on three-dot option. Then click on Install from VSIX. Select the files and click on Install. Installed extensions are shown in Installed menu. How to download VSIX files is shown as an example. I am searching by typing Atom1 Dark Theme download. I will open the first site. If you click on VSIX file from VSIX Hub, the file will be downloaded. It will be located in the Downloads folder. I am searching by typing Code Runner download. I will open the first site. If you click on VSIX file from VSIX Hub, the file will be downloaded. It will be located in the Downloads folder. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.